MILSBO IKEA, how to upgrade an IKEA kitchen. The IKEA MILSBO is a series of glass door cabinets designed to showcase and protect valuable items, collectibles, or plants. Known for its clean, elegant design, the MILSBO cabinet is versatile, blending function and style seamlessly into any modern or minimalist home. Here are its key features. Design. The MILSBO cabinet has a sleek and simple aesthetic with glass doors and panels on all sides, providing an unobstructed view of the items inside. It typically comes in metallic frames, available in neutral colors like white or black, complementing a variety of decor styles. Materials. The cabinet is constructed with a steel frame and tempered glass, ensuring durability and safety. The materials are easy to clean and maintain, keeping the display items visible and dust-free. Shelving. The shelves are adjustable, allowing flexibility in arranging items of different heights. The glass shelves help maintain a minimalist, airy feel of the cabinet while offering robust support. Uses. Showcase collectibles. The MILSBO is perfect for displaying delicate or valuable collections, such as figurines, antiques, or artwork, while keeping them protected. Indoor gardening. It is popular among plant enthusiasts who use it as a stylish greenhouse to display and nurture indoor plants, particularly in humid environments. Home organization. It can also be used for storing and displaying everyday items like books, crockery, or even shoes, adding a touch of sophistication to practical storage. Lockable doors. Some models come with lockable doors, offering additional security for more valuable or delicate items. The MILSBO cabinet is both functional and decorative, serving as an elegant display case that fits perfectly in living rooms, offices, bedrooms, or even dining areas. Its transparent design keeps the focus on what's inside, making it ideal for showing off well-loved collections or plants.